welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that surprised a lot of people in this world of sports. Usain Bolt being stripped of one of his Olympic gold medals. Now, we all know Bolt is the fastest man to ever live. He dominated the track for years, especially at the Olympics. But in 2017, a bombshell dropped that shook the perfect Olympic record. So, let's break it. Let's rewind to the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Bolt was on fire. He won 3 gold medals in the 100 meters, 200 meters, and the 4 by 100 meters relay. And he did it with style, breaking world records in the process. His performance in 2008 really put him on the map as one of the greatest sprinters of all times. Fast forward to 2017, and everything changes. The IOC, International Olympic Committee, decided to retest some of the drug samples from the 2008 Olympics. And what they found was shocking. Nesta Carter, one of Bolt's teammates in the 4x100 relay, tested positive for a banned substance, methylhexaniamine. I can't pronounce that. It's a long and hard medical term, but it's a substance that is banned. This meant that the entire Jamaican relay team was disqualified and their gold medal was taken away. Now, this wasn't Bolt's fault. He didn't test positive for anything, but because Carter's results affected the entire team, Bolt and the rest of the relay squad lost their medals. It's tough because Bolt himself hasn't done anything wrong, but the rules are rules, and the rules are clear when it comes to doping violations. Despite losing the medal, Bolt took to the news like a true champion. He acknowledged that he competed clean throughout his career and respected the decision from the IOC. For him, it was about staying true to his values and the sport. Wow, very profound. But here's the thing. Even with this setback, Usain Bolt's legacy is not defined by one medal. His achievements, his world records, his dominance in the 100 meters and 200 meters, and his impact on the sport are undeniable. He is and will always be the greatest sprinter of all times. So, what do you think? Does this one lost medal take away from Bolt's legacy? Or do you think the impact on sport will always overshadow this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more stories like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.